Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today on this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this triangle lines for my braids, this triangle pattern. Every time box braid, let's spice things up a little bit. So just stay tuned and watch how I got this beauty. So this is me almost done with the braids. I have just the last row remaining. Like for the row, you part the row, of course, like the way you part your normal rows for your box braids. So I just go ahead and trace the line at the top of the braid with the line at the bottom of the row, sorry. So you see that? When you finish cutting or when you finish parting, it has to be like a star at this part. Like this part has to be like a star. So you just trace that from that, you connect it to the other line at the top. So like this. Just go ahead and connect that like this. And then you get your first yeah, your first pattern. So the video is quite self-explanatory, but I'm still gonna like use my fingers to show you some things, and I'm still gonna explain some things going on. So just clean that up, and then you see when you are done with this, the first two parts of hair, you are gonna see that it's gonna be like a star at the bottom there. So that's how to know there's a pattern to this, not just the way you cut your box braid. Box braid is quite easier to part. That's why this one, not everyone can part this style. So you just have to watch me and learn. So you're already seeing our progress. You're already done with 3 braids or 3 sectioning. So you see how it looks. See the star, see the star, see the star. That's the essence. It has to give like some patterns. When you part your hair, when you flip your hair, you're gonna see some patterns, like some star, like clean lines. And of course, while parting this hair, while braiding this hair, you have to make sure the lines are clean. Even while braiding, make sure you know how to grip the hair that it doesn't cover the lines, because that's the essence of this pattern. See, it takes more time than box braids, but yeah, it's beautiful. So we're done with the patterns, we're done with the sectioning. Look at how it looks. Beautiful. So fine. Look at the designs. Look at the lines. So clean. Oh my god. It's like drawing a map on someone's head. So if you want to spice up your work, you're tired of regular, this regular box braid, you want to like make some pepper, add some pepper, some salt, you could try this out, and I'm sure your client's gonna love it, or whoever you're doing it on. So thank you for staying tuned, thank you for your support, thank you for all the likes so far, and please, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, comment. Your support, your comments, your likes are highly appreciated. Please share this video to increase my views. Thank you. Love you guys. Bye bye. See you next time.